What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing today? Look who's here again. Say hi. Hi. So this is the first time he's gonna be riding in my car, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't turn to a disaster. But are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it starts. This is like a day after I fixed it. It's so loud. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, let me.
This thing just swallows. Seatbelt, right?
Yep, seatbelt. That is necessary.
Okay.
Let me see if I can.
It sinks somebody when you sit
down.
down.
It's really low, yeah.
But there's a lot of space on the head.
Yeah. Car reviews by Elvis. He's also Elvis, so there's two Elvises.
Okay.
Okay.
I am the original Elvis.
Oh my goodness.
Oh boy. Woo, I love this car.
It goes from 0 to 60 so fast.
I love this car.
Thank you.
You're having too much fun, boy.
Oh yes.
Wonderful.
You've had a sports car before, right?
Yes, long time ago.
Yeah. If you guys know, what's the name of the car? Ford what?
Ford Capri.
And so like, but you know like the amount of horsepower that one had, or?
I wouldn't know. It was a long time ago, and moreover, I got it as a gift.
Yeah.
It was a very interesting car. Woo. Boy, that is some lifts. Woo!
I just realized there was a cop behind us.
There was a car behind us.
So if he follows us, then yeah, I'll just do like I don't know you. I think we're good. We didn't really exceed the speed limit or anything.
What is the maximum speed you use this car?
I've gotten it to 145 miles per hour.
Really?
Yeah.
on what road was that possible?
It was like on an open road. I've taken it to the drag strip, so I got it there till about 100 and I forgot, but it was on an open road.
140.
145.
That was too much.
Yeah. It was just once, and I was like, it was just one of the times when you feel stupid when you're young. I was like, oh, let me just do something.
Was the car stable?
Yeah, but it was still terrifying because I didn't know what was gonna happen. What if you had a supercar or anything? What is like your dream car if you could get anything?
No. If I were to get it, are you going to get it for me?
No.
I would love a Bugatti.
I pray. Woohoo! I pray. Do you know how much Bugattis were? I think we went to the dealership.
Yes.
And they said how much?
I don't remember, but I think it was something around.
It was like 3.2 million or something.
Was it up to 3 million?
I think it was more.
But that car looks monstrous.
Yeah, it's so good.
Very intimidating.
But like, if you get something realistic, what would it be?
Okay, what about that other car? What's the name? The Tesla.
Oh, the Tesla P100D.
Yes.
Yeah, so we went to like the what's it called, the Grove Mall, if you know, like LA or California.
Yes.
And like we got to like sit in this, or kind of sit in the Tesla Model X that they had on the showroom floor, and he loved it and loved the technology and the doors and blah blah blah. And I've been telling him to rent a car, Tiro, to rent the Tesla so he can see how it is, but yeah.
You know, after test driving and you don't have the money.
I mean, but you can still dream.
I'm dreaming about it. By the time I am half ready, I'll come and test drive it.
Oh my goodness.
Which may be next year.
Amen.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like rev matching. Like, I'm not the one doing it. Like, so when I downshift, it kind of switches to a lower gear in order to
catch up,
match the shifts that I'm switching with.
So it makes that noise.
Yeah,
Why is it that all supercars have such a loud noise?
It's not a supercar, it's just a sports car.
It's not a supercar.
I mean, it has to be loud. Like, it sounds so good. I love the way it sounds. And I also did some modifications to the exhaust as well.
Okay.
So. Oh, I scraped.
Modification for it to be louder.
Yes, no.
Boy. The Tesla, wasn't that loud?
The Tesla is electric.
It's
completely electric.
I could hardly hear the sound.
It doesn't have any sound at all. It's just like.
I could hardly hear the sound. I mean, I love the interior of that car.
Yeah, the Tesla, it's so nice. White, all golden, and the doors too. The way the doors go up.
Beautiful, well. So elegant. They are not open.
Ah! Oh, start hours 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Crap.
What's that?
That's when they're open. 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we're just gonna go back. So the Tesla. So that's your. So there's no other like I don't know like Lambo or Ferrari or.
Well, Lamborghini is good also. Very good.
Yeah.
But you are saying affordable, so I'm downsizing.
I mean, you can kind of get affordable-ish.
I'm downsizing. Lambos. How much is the Lamborghini?
You can get for like 200 grand. So it's more attainable, but it's still expensive.
What of a Ferrari?
It depends on what Ferrari you're looking at. Like there's some that range from like early hundreds to like 200s, and yeah, it just depends on what Ferrari you're getting.
Boy, this is crazy. I remember my younger days.
Oh my goodness, you're not that old.
I'm 60.
Still not too horrible. Let me just go this way. I can't wait anymore.
You know, my younger days, I used to love speeding my car. You know, it has this lift as if you're in an aircraft.
Yeah.
Take it off. What will likely be your next car?
I want to keep it a surprise to these people, but it's between I don't know, maybe a Nissan GTR or an Alfa Romeo 4C or a Lotus Evora. Like I'm not 100% sure.
All these sports cars too.
Yeah. But I'm also gonna get like a cheap fuel-saving car too, because I need something, maybe like a Prius.
Yeah.
So let me know what you guys think. Maybe like a Toyota Prius. It's horrible, and all the car guys hate it. But I might get that or a Honda CRZ. It's still a hybrid, but it also has a stick shift. So because I want one of my next cars to be a stick shift.
That is how to know a good driver.
What did you think when I bought this car the first time? When you found out that I bought it?
I was just looking at myself years back.
Oh my goodness.
And incidentally, my Capri was also yellow color. This boy is exhibiting my DNA.
I pray. Oh, tunnel! Hold on, there's a tunnel in front of us.
So
that's.
You wanted the noise to be magnified.
Yeah, that's what I do all the time.
Must be crazy. Fuel consumption.
Oh, it's really I told you it was like 70% empty the other day, and with California prices, it doesn't even help. Like I filled it up from like 30% left to 100, and it was like $64. So yeah, expensive.
So which means it will cost you about $100 for the full tank.
I don't know. It depends on the gas station as well. So yeah,
that's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. It's very expensive.
So a full tank, how many days does it last you? Your normal regular operation?
A week, sometimes less than a week. And then insurance, oh gosh.
Let's see how good you will take this bump.
Oh, don't worry, I've mastered the bump taking techniques.
Okay. Thanks for the ride.
Yep, what do you think about the golden ride?
Yes, the only thing I have against the car is the noise. It's too much.
I praise too much.
Ah, boom! Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. As if it's an angry animal.
Oh my goodness. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you.